Good morning and welcome to the YouTube channel of RAThbun. This will be a AI-generated video. I hope you enjoy it, so kick back and grab a cup of coffee and let's view the next video.
Tired of gray skies and chilly weather? What if I told you there's a place that holds the Guinness World Record for being the sunniest city on Earth? Welcome to Yuma, Arizona, your ultimate winter escape. Let's dive into the top 10 reasons why Yuma should be your next travel destination. First up, the glorious sunshine and warmth. Imagine soaking up the sun with average winter highs in the low 70s. It's perfect t-shirt weather when everyone else is bundled up. This leads us right into incredible outdoor adventures. You can hike or bike through stunning desert trails, exploring a landscape that's both rugged and beautiful. The majestic Colorado River is another huge draw. Picture yourself enjoying a serene sunset cruise or kayaking on its calm waters. It's a photographer's dream and a perfect way to unwind. For the thrill seekers, the Imperial Sand Dunes are a must-visit. Hop on an ATV and race across the massive golden dunes for an adrenaline rush you won't forget. It feels like you're on another planet. Yuma is also steeped in rich history. Step back in time at the infamous Yuma Territorial Prison, once home to some of the Wild West's toughest outlaws. Or explore the Colorado River State Historic Park to learn about the river's vital role in the region. The city also boasts unique museums, like the charming Sanganetti House Museum and the mesmerizing fluorescent mineral wall at the Castle Dome Museum. Did you know Yuma is a winter vegetable capital? The agritourism here is amazing. You'll see vast, vibrant green fields that feed the nation, and all that fresh produce leads to some incredible culinary delights. Yuma's food scene is booming, especially its authentic, mouth-watering Mexican cuisine. Get ready for the best tacos of your life. The city is also alive with arts and culture. Discover local galleries, lively festivals, and cultural events that celebrate Yuma's unique heritage. And finally, it's a place for true wellness and relaxation. Just being in the peaceful desert landscapes under those endless sunny skies can be incredibly rejuvenating. So, there you have it. Endless sun, thrilling adventures, rich history, delicious food, and pure relaxation. Yuma, Arizona truly has it all. Start planning your sunny getaway today.
Thanks for taking the time and viewing this video. Please subscribe so you can get more content from this channel. It will help us greatly.